Hi everybody! Now you've got your main character, your hero or your heroine, and you know what their typical day looks like. The next thing I'd like you to do is to create a Victorian villain. Now I love doing this. It's brilliant. A villain just means a bad guy or a bad girl. So like the evil, nasty person in your story. It's really fun to write about horrible people. I'm not sure why, but it's really good to make them up. So what I'd like you to do is think about who would be really horrible and fit in well with your story. What kind of things do they do? What's their relationship with your main character as well? So think of a villain and just write a short description, just a very brief description, and then think about what their relationship with your main character might be and how that might play out in your story. For example, they might be stealing from your main character, or they might be running an orphanage and be really, really nasty to all the children in the orphanage, or they might be making a coat out of dogs like Cruella de Vil. Have a think, a really nasty character, and what is their main relationship with your main heroine or hero? Good luck, have fun. This is brilliant. I love doing this. See you soon.